What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with YouTube's greatest knife unboxer. As usual, I am accompanied by the Lady of the Sea, who is wielding the coveted rainbow steel, the composition of which is not to be questioned. Let's go ahead and get into this box here. If you feel compelled after witnessing my legendary skills to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at metal_complex. That will allow you to stay updated on knives that I'm going to review and some other stuff. So what do we have here? We have an Artisan cutlery. Now, a lot of you know, if you've been watching my videos, my feelings of Artisan cutlery are, they've got some cool designs. They're interesting. They definitely are getting my attention on Instagram with some of their more recent stuff. But it's been kind of like little things. Like the ergonomic design doesn't make sense, or the blade center's off, or the blade centering is off, or little tiny things like that. And I'm not going to say that I'm unimpressed with Artisan cutlery. They've just yet to wow me with anything other than I think it was the Falcon? Is that Artisan cutlery? Let's go ahead and see what's in here. This was provided to me by the Pass Around group, so by extension, Artisan Cutlery themselves. I do appreciate the opportunity, of course, to take a look at this. Pretty sure I know what this is. Pretty sure I looked at a picture of it just the other day. Yeah, so this is the large, and my viewers corrected me last time. I was saying Archeo. Is it Archeo? I don't know, guys. This is the large Archeo. Oh, wow. Okay, the action's very good. Let's check the centering. The centering is on. We have centering. Okay. We have a nice flipping action. Okay. So right off the bat, this feels way more, comfortable in my hand than the small one. The small one I wasn't super duper impressed with. Action feels nice on that guy. We can get the reverse flick with the thumb. So this feels like it's about in the same position as the Wayfarer 247, where I thought it was like just too close to get my finger in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. Yeah. It's a little bit harder here, but as far as the reverse flick goes, you can definitely get it. Flipping action feels great. Detent feels great. This will be a fun one to take a look at here. Remind myself, yeah, M390, we've got titanium. We've got a nice carbon fiber inlay that's set in well. This is looking promising. I'm really excited to take a look at this guy. That is going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Guys, if you enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you would like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.